We're going to start a new project. Inside of Google Drive Video, we will call this in credits. Hit OK to create. You can open up a File Explorer window. Go to this PC, StuShare, PAAVC. Go to the Animate in Credits zip. I'm going to copy that folder. I'm going to go to Quick Access Google Drive, My Drive, Video, and I'm going to paste that folder. I'm going to import the Animate in Credits footage. Add that video to the timeline. Then I'm going to go back to Google Drive, My Drive, Video, Animate in Credits, and there are two different text files. We'll get the job titles first. Open that with Word. I'm going to press Control A to select all. I'm going to click on the numbering to take the numbers off. And then I'm going to copy everything. Then Adobe Premiere, I'm going to switch over to Graphics. Click on the Type tool. Click once on the screen. And then Paste, which is Control V. Instead of a font size of 100, I'm going to switch that to maybe 26. As the titles will be on the left, we want to right align all of these. I'm going to actually make that a little larger. I'm going to do 32 for my size. Go back to my folder. This time I'm going to open the names. Control A to select all. Undo the numbering. Copy everything. I don't need this anymore. Click on the text tool again to make a second text box. Control V to paste those. They should come out as the same style. So I'm going to go to the selection tool. And I'm going to make these look different than the first one. You could potentially even change it to all caps to further differentiate it from the titles. We want to adjust the gap between the two to make sure it's okay. Don't worry if they line up. Draw a box using the selection tool around both, and we can do align top, and then they will be lined up. And then move these till they're roughly centered. You could potentially also do it on the left side or the right side, depending on what sort of effect you wanted to go for. Then we're going to click the background so that nothing is selected. I'm going to click on Roll. We want to start off screen and end off screen. We want to make sure that our graphic is the entire length of the clip. Then when we run it, those should scroll up. And as we scrub through the video, we'll see that at the end, the last part will go up right off the edge of the screen at the very end. Click where it says Director, make 2 lines, and put Video Editor. And put 2 lines on the right side, and put in my name so that it is part of the credits, since this is something we created. Then I'm going to put a fade in at the beginning and the end. And I'm actually going to start the graphic and end the graphic right after the fade and right before the ending fade. That way here at the end, we will fade in, and the credits will start to roll. And then when we get to the end, at the end of the credits, then we'll fade to black. And then we'll export our media. Match source, adaptive medium. I will name this in credits, hit save, then export my video to turn into Google Classroom.